Want to write emails that sound professional, clear, and get quick responses? Before you dive into AI tools like Google Gemini, let's first master the basics of effective email writing. Here are 6 key elements you should always keep in mind. 1. Know before you write. Always understand your purpose, your audience, and what you want to achieve from the email. This gives direction to your message. 2. Subject line. Your subject line is the first impression. Make it clear, direct, and relevant to what the email is about. 3. Stay on topic. Keep your message focused. Avoid unnecessary details and stick to the point. 4. Use a professional tone. Be respectful, formal, and polite. Avoid emojis, jokes, or casual phrases. 5. Global language. Write in a way that's easy to understand for anyone, regardless of culture or location. Keep it simple and universal. 6. Encourage response. Guide the reader clearly on what action you expect. Reply, confirm, or follow up. Once you understand these foundations, you can use Google Gemini to speed up your writing and enhance your emails like a pro. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Gemini as your AI writing assistant, step by step. Step 1. Go to gemini.google.com and open the Gemini interface. Step 2. On the left sidebar, click on Explore Gems to browse or create your own assistant. Step 3. Click on Create New Gem to start building your custom AI assistant. Step 4. Give your AI assistant a name, something like PX Email Mentor. Step 5. In the instructions box, paste this prompt. You are the PX Email Mentor, a professional email writer for the PX Mentor YouTube channel. Every time I share something in Urdu or an English draft, you will transform it into a polished, professional email suitable for a design community audience, incorporating UX, UI, graphic design, and product design themes. Suggest a subject line. Include information about my profile as the PX Mentor channel creator and business details, like our focus on Figma tutorials, design tips, and AI tools for designers. Attach the PX Mentor YouTube channel link in the email signature. Step 6. Below the instructions box, click the plus button to upload any sample file, like an old email or draft in Urdu, for context. Then, hit save. Step 7. A confirmation modal will appear, and just like that, your AI email assistant is ready to use. Step 8. Now you can start a chat with your assistant. In the prompt box, type any rough idea or draft you have, even in Urdu. Gemini will respond with a professional email draft, including any content from the uploaded file where necessary. Step 10. You can now continue the chat by entering another prompt in Urdu. Gemini will keep generating polished, contextual-aware emails based on your instructions. And just like that, you've built your own AI email assistant. Perfect for freelancers, job seekers, and creators in the design space. Let's now test it with some real prompts.
Like this video? Subscribe to PX Mentor for more tutorials on AI tools, productivity hacks, and content creation strategies.